Thank you, Snow. Thank you, everyone. So, yeah, we'd like to invite everyone sa stage as a second race natin, or fifth race ever, and second race of the year, Go for Gold Race Series. This year we had Criterium Circuit at saka ITC. So, sa Pasig we will have that again, and we have points for the whole year. And by the end of the year, we're going to have an awarding actually here sa thanks to Snow na nag-help sa atin that we will have an awarding for an overall champion ng Criterium, overall champion ng circuit, overall champion ng ITT, and then best team. Hindi na maraming points sa team. So kukombine natin yung points ng all the riders and then male and female at the end of the year, and then the team with the most points yung panalo. Very clear. Kung may tie, papag-usapan na lang. Pero hopefully wala.
Tsaka dito yung awarding na boss,
Yes.
yung national awarding. Ma'am Judith, batiin ko lang yung TCG Twin Cycle Gear, no? Yung gagawa ng mga official jerseys natin. Si Miss Maya Nunag. Ano ba siya yan? Mamaya. Thank you po.
Okay, may we have Ma'am Camila Sumagi bilang representative ng ating Phil Cycling Deputy Secretary General. Ang patuloy na suporta ng Phil Cycling sa mga iba-ibang karera katulad ng Larga Pilipinas. Please.
Sorry, I'm late. Yun muna. I came all the way from Tagaytay and rushed all the way here to be present. In behalf of our Congressman, President Abraham Tolentino and Secretary General Attorney Billy Sumagi. So, just a short message kasi I'm very happy kasi ang dami pong umusbong na uling road cycling events. And I would really want to encourage also future race organizers and current organizers to have your race sanctioned. Kasi with our current system for field cycling, competitions will have its own point system. So lahat ng mga sasali po sa sanctioned race, only the sanctioned races will have its own qualification sa mga next na events. So that way, meron pong basis yung pag-select ng, of course, national team and foreign competitions. Dati kasi wala eh. So even if ma-sanction yung race, walang basehan. Oo. So ngayon may point system na siya. So I encourage all those who are organizing any cycling competition, especially the professional competitions, to have your race sanctioned. And we will send guided and educated commissars to supervise your events, and of course for all the riders to continuously apply for UCI ID para you are consistently guided also by the UCI regulations. Yun lang po. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we'd like to have the final words, parting shots ng ating mga VIPs. Sino
Short
ba
message. Attorney Freud, please.
Yan, nakakatuwa na makita lahat at very enthusiastic ang mga tao. Media, riders, team owners, at yung mga cycling loving people. Pati yung right now, natutuwa tayo na maraming mga vloggers, pati yung mga photographers na nag-i-enjoy lang na kumuha at mag-cover na cycling. So, let's keep cycling alive at magtulong-tulong tayo. This must be a cooperative effort. Hindi ito magagawa ng walang tulong ang mga tao. At nagpapasalamat tayo at mayroong mga willing na mag-sponsor at nandyan naman yung ating federasyon na laging tumutulong sa atin at gumagabay. So, everybody should be ready. We look forward sa isang magandang karera at nawa magpatuloy ito at magkaroon ng magandang resulta at mabigyan natin ng kasiyahan ng mga tao. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Tordy. Miss Sunshine.
Once again, thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa cycling, and I'd like to ask once more or continue everybody na nanonood. Ang cycling kasi hindi lang laro ng mga siklista yan. It's the community's event. So, ang mga siklista dumarating sa mga community, sa mga different LGUs para sa finish line. But hindi lang yun parang kumbaga hindi lang yun yung component ng isang karera. It's the entire community who will be able to, who will support and make the event successful, no? Yung mga fans, kahit yung mga nanonood sa kalsada, yung mga motorista na titigil to give way doon sa mga siklista. Minsan lang po dumadaan ng mga siklista sa isang karera, sa isang bayan. So, napakalaking bagay po na yung suporta ninyo ay maibigay kapag kami mga ganitong event. Dahil hindi po biro, kumbaga, yung pag-organize ng isang cycling race, unlike in an indoor event na nandun lang, napakadali, maliit na pondo, okay na. But a cycling race, it entails not just a fund, but a big chunk of money talaga. And then the cooperation of the LGU, you have to visit every once in a while. And then you have to coordinate with all with the PNP, with the different authorities para magkaroon ng isang ligtas at successful, maayos na karera. So ito ay tulong-tulong na effort ng private sector, ng federation, ng public sector para magkaroon tayo ng continuous na and progressive and continued na patuloy na nagde-develop kumbaga yung cycling sa ating nation.
Thank you, Commissioner Ma'am Sashen. Before ayun, pakiready ng video teaser kasi hindi napalabas kanina. Kasi magaling yung voice-over nun eh. Oh, familiar daw, kilala ninyo, voice-over naman.
Teaser daw, teaser.
Hindi, after you, yung teaser pakiready. And now, parting shots, Mr. Snow Badwa.
Nakakatuwa pong isipin ng mga kaibigan na from being an underrated sport, cycling is now back to where it should be. And thank you sa Philcycling, thank you sa Turo Luzon, dahil they were able to bounce on the momentum that we are also riding on now. So, sana na po ma-realize ng mga kababayan natin that cycling is indeed an exciting sport. Hindi lang mo ito dadaan sa harap ninyo. Hindi lang mo ito dadaan sa harap ninyo. May mga kanya-kanyang techniques na ginagawa po yung mga siklista. And just by the mere stamina na ipinakikita po nila, talagang masasabi natin na they're indeed one of a kind. So sana it's about time that we appreciate our cyclists, we appreciate the sport, and tayo pong mga nasa media, mabigyan din po natin ito ng chance na mas maihatid pa sa mas maraming mga followers. Kasi sa ngayon po, ang dami yung followers ng cycling, hindi lang po talaga natin nabibigyan ng prioridad. At yan po yung isa sa mga mission namin sa Go for Gold, dito po sa Larga, Pilipinas, na sana po yung cycling mas makitaan natin yung potential nito as a sport as an exciting sport and as a marketable advertising avenue. Kasi mga kaibigan, baka akala ho ninyo, uy, napuno ho yung Philippine Arena, 55,000. Ang hindi ho ninyo alam, kada stage po ng cycling, milyon at libo-libo po ang nakakapanood. Alam niyo kung bakit? Pagdaan mo sa lansangan niya, naglalabasan mo yung mga kung pagka may nasalubog na bus, nag-iintuan, lumalabas mo ganun yung mga ulo. Diba? Tapos pagdaan mo ng mga kotse ninyo, may mga nakatatak na D-Ray na, may nakatatak na excellent, standard insurance. Diba? It's a good advertising platform. And with Turo Luzon and Larga, Pilipinas, we're hoping to build a PBA and MPBL version of cycling. And sana po ma-attain natin yan. At yan po ay kaya natin gawin kung papalakpak po kayo ng malakas. At isusulat ko po kami ng maganda. Okay? Salamat po sa inyo lahat and let's all enjoy yung ating lunch. Okay, Bobby? Yeah, may video.
Again, palakpakan po natin Tony Froy, Ma'am Sunshine, and Snow Badwa. And to wrap it up, meron pong isa na magandang video po kami share sa inyo. Video, take it away.
Wala rito, nasa live lang. Sa live lang. Anyway.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, share the excitement. The countdown is on. Larga Pilipinas 2025.
Exciting ang cycling!